Welcome to my channel, No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of leather craftsmanship to show you how a high-quality leather bag is made from start to finish. Leather crafting is an age-old tradition combining artistry and skill. Every leather bag tells a story of meticulous craftsmanship. Let's start with the basics, selecting the leather. Choosing the right leather is crucial. High-quality leather like full-grain and top-grain leather is preferred for its durability and beauty. The leather is sourced from reputable tanneries, ensuring it meets the highest standards. Every bag starts with a design. Designers create detailed sketches considering both functionality and aesthetics. The design includes measurements and patterns that will be used to cut the leather. Once the design is finalized, the leather is cut. Templates are used to ensure precision. Each piece is carefully cut to match the design specifications. After cutting, the edges of the leather pieces are treated. This process, called edging and burnishing, smooths the edges and gives the bag a polished look. Stitching is where the bag starts to take shape. Artisans use strong, durable thread to sew the pieces together. Hand stitching is often used for added durability and a touch of craftsmanship. Next, hardware is added. Quality zippers, buckles, and clasps are essential for functionality and style. These components are carefully attached to ensure they are secure and aligned. The bag is then assembled. This includes adding the lining, attaching straps, and ensuring all components fit perfectly. Attention to detail at this stage is critical. Every bag undergoes rigorous quality control. Artisans inspect the stitching, hardware, and overall finish to ensure the bag meets the highest standards. Finally, the bag receives its finishing touches. The leather is polished and the bag is prepared for packaging. Each bag is carefully packed to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted leather bag made with skill and passion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of craftsmanship.